So good day everyone, my name is Rowelyn Joylontal Flores and today I will be talking about the theater improvisation. So theater improvisation started its influence during the 16th, 17th and 18th centuries in Italy. So many scholars have debated over the origin of audience suggestions incorporated into improvisational performances. So naiuban nga nag-credit kay Dudley Riggs, pero ang uban attribute this characteristic of improve to the theater games of Viola's Poland during the 1940s. And historically, improvisational theater is a unique form of stage performance derived from various global traditions, festivals, ancient rituals, children's games, and many more. So, what is really improvisational theater rather? So, improvisational theater or improv consists of a comedic, poignant, or dramatic stage performance, usually with a wide cast of actors and actresses. So, kani manggong improvisational theater is mo ni siya ang kanabang play which is ang mga actors o actresses sky on the spot sila mo perform on the spot ihatag sa ilang roles or characters nga ilang gina-portray and ang kaning mga audience pod ani is kanang naa sila pwede sila mag-suggest o kung say pwede buhaton sa actors and actresses. So dapat gyud nga pag isa ka performer is dapat gyud nga pag isa ka performer kailangan kanang spontaneous good ka mag-isip, kanang naa kay critical thinking, kanang witty good ka, kanang dali ra ka makaisip og unsaon man ako ni pag-deliver ha, kay spontaneous man siya. So bisag spontaneous siya, bisag kanang kumbaga makayon ka nga unprepared ka, pero dapat is kanang maka-create kag way ba para ma-entertain gyapon nimo imuhang mga audience, para kuan ba, para kanang nindot gyapon ang kinalabasan. Kay since if mabilong gyud ka ani nga kani nga kind of play, so dapat kanang very kanang dali ra gud ka makaunaw-unaw unsay mga dapat buhaton para ma-entertain ug ma-satisfy ang imong mga audience when it comes to ani nga kind of play or theater. So, naay 5 distinctive approaches to improvisation nga gi-offered ni Kristen Erickson. So, ang una there is ang basic performance improvisation. So, this type of improvisation is used to introduce improvisation to students or to create comedy sketches which will be performed for a formal or informal audience. So, this approach refers to the spontaneous creation of movements, actions, or dialogue in response to prompt, cue, or situation, often in theater, dance, music, or comedy. So, usually, maganap yun na siya kaning basic performance improvisation sa theater, dance, music, o comedy. Kay usually manggod sa kaning mga ingani nga type of genres ba is kanang siya kanang pwede siya impromptu good or dili impromptu, spontaneous siya. Kay pwede man ka nga gaya na akong gingon nga pwede ka naka sa theater play kung imong mga audience among decide unsa imong i-portray dira, so sponty siya, so dapat nagid kay attitude nga kanang sponty ka ba, 'di ba? Kung sa sayaw man is kung pasampulon ka dira, makasampol ka. Kung sa music, makakanta ka, maka-create kag kanta dira, maka-compose ka, and as well as sa comedy. So the next one is the device theater. So this type of improvisation is used to create longer works of original theater. This work can be used for classroom sharing or can grow into works for performance in front of an audience. So this approach is a collaborative, dynamic approach to creating performance where actors, writers, and directors work together. Scripts are developed through improvisation and experimentation. And lastly, stories, characters, and themes emerge organically. So the third approach is applied theater. So this type of improvisation is not focused on entertainment, but rather facilitates the exploration of an idea, theme, conflict, or questions by a group of people. So the purpose here is communication among the participants, and the use of applied theater practices is for students to engage, educate, and empower specific communication or individuals, often addressing social, emotional, or political issues. And the fourth approach is the drama in the classroom. So whenever students are acting a story with a specific script or making up their own stories based on history, science, or favorite book, they are improvising. So since ang kaning improvisation or ang kaning theater improvisation is kuan man siya spontaneous, pag may improvisation kay spontaneous man siya. So if ang student daw isatagan silang task to perform without script or kanang nag-create silang ilaha ay o nag-create sila og kanang story good nga kanang based sa history or science ba, tapos wala sila script, meaning ana nag-improvise sila, they're improvising kay kuan man bisag walay gihatag nga script kay spontaneous man, but they were able to perform. So meaning ana is nana sila development, nana sila critical thinking ba. And ang teachers daw who engage students in drama in the classroom without having students memorize a set script are already teaching improvisation. And drama in the classroom promote creativity, enhance learning, and develop social emotional skills in educational settings. So the last approach is improvisation as scripted theater rehearsal. So this type of improvisation is used by stage directors to illuminate a character's backstory or the hidden subtext in a script. So this improvisational technique can help students dig deeper into their character traits and motivations, understand the impact of setting and environment, uncover the meaning of plot points, or build relationships among characters in a play. So this also enhances the emotional authenticity, encourages creative problem solving, develops actor chemistry, and refines scene work and pacing. So now let's talk about the solving improvisational challenges. So improvisation is a skill that requires good thinking, creativity, wit, and eloquence in response to the given situation in an instant. So mugit akong giingon gaina nga pag mayon tag improvisation, spontaneous good siya. So mo nang dapat na kay good thinking, dapat creative good ka, dapat ka nang moto dali good ka makauna-una ba kung unsa ang mga response nimo sa kanang instant nga situation. So what are the common problems might encounter on stage and how to deal with this problem in an improvised way? So una dira is identifying the pivotal word. So it means formulating your own language unprepared is nerve-wracking. So agree kayo ani. So agree guro ta kaayo ani. Di ba kanang lisod kayo magsulti or magsulti nga kanang dili ka prepared. Pas ani kaning sila nga mga performers diri sa improvisational theater kay kuan kanang kumbaga mahulbaan dyan na sila kay syempre spontaneous gani na nakadira sa stage aya pa ingon sa imo nga mo ni mong portray mo ni imong character mo ni imong role. So dapat gyud na kay good thinking para ma-perform nimo og well ang character or role nga imong i-portray. And this is the common problem on stage. So modo ni ang common problem sa stage kay syempre kung ang isa daw ka student or ingon na lang ato performer kay naa siya giistorya pero wala siya kasabot kung unsa to yung istorya. So naay chances nga dili masabtan kung unsa tong iyahang ginapasabot or gina-perform ba, ginastorya. So dili makasabot ang mga naminaw or ang mga audience kung mismo ang nag-act, ang nag-perform, ang nagstorya kay wala pud siya kasabot atong nga text, 'di ba? So maunang kinahanglan nga identify nato and dapat kinahanglan ano gyud ta creative gyud ta and ano ta kanang witty good sponty natay attitude nga spontaneous natay and resilient, 'di ba? So the second one is recovering language sensibility. Language is the most concrete idea communicated in play, over dance and music. So this use of language requires one to be sensitive enough when speaking, particularly in large diverse audiences. So kinahanglan daw nga gi-require ni siya pag naagud ka sa kanang very ingon na to big event, very crowd places. So dapat sensitive ka sa imong language or the word itself nga imong ginabitawan. So how to fill the gap with this intentionally or unintentionally thrown troublesome language. So how to fill the gap with this intentionally or unintentionally thrown troublesome languages. So first, change the topic and shift to another one, provided that the flow of the story continues its main point. So for example, love making instead of sex, pregnancy termination instead of abortion, less fortunate instead of poor, and etc. So the second one is use euphemism. This refers to mild expressions that replace two harsh ones. Third one, apologize right away but in a creative way than in a formal one. The last one, make the offensive statements to positive one. For example, you mentioned about same-sex marriage is disgusting. So, instead of saying disgusting, make it into another statement or another way of saying it. So, disgusting. Disgusting if there is no real love between the two of them, but same-sex marriage with love is wonderful. So, the third one, or the third step or way to deal with the problem is controlling the trouble step. It has something to do with the body contact or in a dance movement in group synchrony, dance in unison, group randomly or dance in unison but of different steps, partner or dance in pair, or individual or dance alone. So, if this happens, do not laugh because of mistakes. However, if you can't dare to laugh, make certain that you laugh for purpose in creative fashion that relates to the story by animating your facial expression para ma-cover up ang imong pagkatawa. Good halimbawa nagkatawa ka kay dili mo mapugan nga magkatawa ka kay nay na mali. Instead of katawa nga katawa lang, make it in a creative way. Kumbaga kanang himuon nimo siyang pares diri nga himuon nimo siyang kanang fashionable. Kumbaga ang imong facial expression kay i-change po nimo nga dili halata nga nagkatawa gyud ka tungod kay na mali gyud to utong imong kauban nga nag-perform. So make it in a creative way na kanang dili siya mahalata ba nga nagkatawa lang ka dira nga wala hinungdan. So dapat na siya purpose para dili maano ang mga nagtanaw sa imo. So the second one is find stronger movement that brings your partner to follow you in synchronized movements. So dapat kung ikaw ang mag-lead, dapat to mangita kag movement nga mas ingon na tog simple pero powerful nga kanang ang imuhang partner kay makasunod din sa imuha. So third one is regain composure and graces with your moves. So dapat kung the way ka mo move, if dances man siya, if kanang sayaw man, so the way ka mo move, dapat ay grace, dapat ka nang move gracefully, dapat ka nang nindot gud siya tanawon pag move ka, dili ka na murag pag tanawon pag move ka kay o pag mugsay ka kay unsa man na siya. So dapat gracefully and na siya right composure. So the last way of dealing the problem is going to the extreme. Is a scene totally frenetic, being played low-key, very intensely angry, broad slapstick, or being played in some other type of definable and describable manner? If that's the case, find moment in the scene where you feel it is becoming false, state, or in- ineffective, and have the actors go to the opposite end of the spectrum, utilizing a new emotion, intensity, tempo, rhythm, pace, and etc. So that's the end of our discussion. So I hope there's something you gain, even kahit konti. So thank you so much.